May katanggap lang maragulasaw preng nursing at allied health students kay bat milele ing 500 million pesos king 2026 national budget bang pakibatan ing related learning experience o RLE fees o gastos king hospital at laboratory training. Ing pondo asinulong ng Senator Bam Aquino partine ning 1.38 trillion pesos sa education budget. Alayong bawasan ing mabayat a gastos daring estudyante at agwan ing pamaglako daring bayong health workers papunta kingaliwang bansa.
The current setup forces our nursing students to go abroad. So, the reform is, pwede nang isama ang RLE expenses sa libreng kolehiyo. Kahit libre pa yung kolehiyo or kahit may scholarship pa sila, they still have to pay for the RLE. So ito yung binabayad nila sa mga hospital to be able to get their degree, to graduate.
Kareng milabasan na banwa, mamabot king 100,000 hanggang 200,000 ing personal na gastos ning metong nga estudyante bang makumpleto ing RLE. Metong kareng sangkan nung bakit marakaling mamanutang o tutok ng king pamagaral.
Many of them, syempre, either maghanap ng pera or uutangin mo yan, di ba? Paano mo yan babayaran on a local nurse's salary? That system is practically pushing our students to go abroad. So maybe this is one step to get some more nurses the support and to give them the option to actually be here.
Saklo ning pondo, king lalam ning Higher Education Development Program, reng kursong nursing at midwifery, medical technology, pharmacy, physical therapy, occupational at respiratory therapy, radiologic technology, nutrition at dietetics, psychology, dentistry, biochemistry at speech-language pathology. At yung 20,000 na estudyante, iba't kareng state at local universities and colleges o SUCs at LUCs ing makatanggap 10,000 pesos hanggang 20,000 pesos balang metong. Direktang ipasa dareng eskwela ing RLE cost king CHED bang ponduan king kapamilatan ning Unifast. Anyaen nila lumwaldeti king enrollment bills. Para naman kareng estudyante kareng accredited private schools malyaring gamitan ning tertiary education subsidy para king RLE kay bat ning i-update ning CHED ing guidelines bang miyabeti bilang allowable cost kay niti balaos ng tutulak Senator Baming libreng RLE Act bang gawang permanente at balaos libre ing clinical training kareng karapat dapat ay estudyante. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.